Okay, greetings and peace. My name is Neo and I'm here for the people. A new video here, and this video was a result of a video that I watched yesterday in response of a video of a teacher, a metaphysical teacher, a lecturer, and then this particular person saw the video and responded to that video with her own video. And really, when she was speaking, really got me thinking and realizing that I have to use my intuition even more when I watch these lecturer videos that talk about spirituality and metaphysics, because a lot of them, in my opinion, based on my intuition and watching them, it seems like a lot of them get their information from books, and maybe every now and then they'll get their information from a credible individual. However, on the most part, they get their information from books. And now, when you get your information from books, I understand it's some of them really make sense. However, you have to really know who the author is, and you have to really know if that author is part of the Vatican in any kind of way, indirectly or directly, or if this person is putting out misinformation and truthful information. So that's when it comes in, like, regardless of whatever information you get, whether it be from books, lecturers, from teachers, so-called gurus, or whatever, you still have to use your intuition to see if this really makes sense, or are they misleading me. So that's why I feel that it's really important to be able to talk to your higher self and your guides to get this information, truthful information, to see if it's really true. Because there's a lot of misinformation out there, and that's one of the reasons why I do read books. However, most of the information that I put in my videos, most of them come from my higher self and my angels. I will be, and I usually get this information when I'm sitting by myself, whether it be in nature or sitting right here just looking out the window. Just looking out the window, and then just information comes to me, and I just start thinking like, oh, I want to talk about that. And then I say, you guys remind me later on, or find the right time for me to go ahead and do a video about this. And then that's where those bing moments come from my angels and my higher self. And it's like, I gotta get this information out, and then boom, I get it out. And the same thing that happened with me earlier. I said to myself, okay, I gotta do a video about this and tell people that when you're reading these books, when you're watching these lecturers on YouTube, and when you're going to these so-called sages and gurus, don't give them all your power and all of your attention. Maybe you can give them some of your attention, but still be wary of what they're saying, because what they're saying might not necessarily be the truth for you. So you have to find out what's the truth for you. Even when you're hearing my information, you have to be the indicator of what's truth for you. So that's the biggest thing that I wanted to let you guys know and to be wary of. And that reminds me of someone I know who's really into this so-called sage or guru, and she said that she said that he is her guru, spiritual guru. And that made me think, like, people gotta realize, stop putting other people above you as if they're a god. I mean, you can get information from them, and you can look at them as a mentor or a guide, but still, don't put other people ahead of you. And like these so-called gurus, I know a lot of people go to these gurus and they look to them as God, as if all of their information is right for them, when all you have to do is just go to your higher self, and let your higher self be the guide and your so-called guru, which is you anyways. Anyway, so to me that makes more sense. So and that's why I really never had a mentor, never really looked for a mentor, ever in my life, because it's just, I just knew things. And I really believe now, and I know that I'm an old soul, and that's probably one of the reasons why I don't really feel that I need a mentor. Maybe in some areas as far as like finance and stuff, and people that have already been there and done that, that can help me out a little bit on the physical aspect. However, all I have to do is just talk to my angels, and maybe my angels will find a guide that has already been where I'm trying to go. And that's how it works. They do that. They can find somebody, a spirit that already been there, and then put that spirit in position to help me out. So I really just go to them. Whenever I have a question, whenever I need help with something, I usually go to them. I really don't go to another human and ask them questions. Maybe every now and then. However, now I'm learning to trust more with my intuition rather than looking for external sources to give me confirmations, which I do get the confirmation externally, because sometimes that just makes me feel a little bit better, just like a lot of other humans. It makes them feel a little bit better, but on the most part, I get my information from my angels, my higher self. When I'm just sitting there, ask a question, just relax and allow the answer to come through. So that's how I get mine. Alright, that's it for me, and until next time, take care.